Hello, this is a video on how to use the door locks at 49 Michael Way, Twin Mountain, New Hampshire. If for any reason the lock is not working, we'll give you a code to access this lockbox here. There'll be a key inside you can open up here and use for this lock. But first, we want you to use the digital way. Push this button to wake the lock up, and then you'll enter the code that we give you. And after you enter the code, you'll hit the check button.
Time expired.
You got to do it quickly. And that's it. Close the door. Push the Yale button. Now the door's locked.